These are the video notes for section 8.4, multiplying and simplifying radicals. To multiply and simplify radicals, what we do is we multiply with the square root symbol, then we simplify the square root if possible. So in the first example, root 3 times root 5y, we're going to multiply 3 times 5y, which is 15y, and keep it inside the radical. I can't simplify either part, so that would be the final answer. Root 3 times root 4y is root 12y. I can simplify the 12 by breaking it up into 4 and 3. And so the final answer would be 2 root 3y. In this next example, I'm going to multiply this together and I'll get 20x to the 8th. I'm going to break this up into root 4, root 5, root x to the 8th, and my final answer would be 2x to the 4th, root 5. In this example, root 5t times root 5t will be root 25t squared. Both of these are, this is a perfect square, so the square root of 25t squared is just 5t. In our next example, I'm going to take root 4 times root 24. I get root 96. That can break up into 16 and 6, which is 4 root 6. In the next example, I have two whole numbers in front of the radical, so 2 times 4 is 8. Then I'm going to multiply the radicals together. 15x times 2x cubed is 30x to the 4th. Now I'm going to keep the 30 the way it is because it doesn't have a perfect square factor. The square root of x to the 4th is a perfect square, so I'm going to break it up this way. The square root of x to the 4th is x squared, so that's going to be with the 8, 8x squared, root 30. In our last example, I have a 6 with a parenthesis, so I'm going to distribute the 6. 6 times 2 root 6n is 12 root 6n, plus 6 times root 24n is 6 root 24n. Now in this example, I can simplify this radical 24 into 4 and 6. So the problem will become 12 root 6n plus root 4 is equal to 2. There's already a 6 out here, so 6 times 2 is 12. So that's going to become 12. And I have a root 6 and a root n that is left. And then I have like terms, so 12 root 6n plus 12 root 6n is 24 root 6n.